Camel Ray, let's go here and let us match the letters to make the word. Okay, what's the first word? And the next... Okay, good job, Camel Ray. Okay, now let's continue, Camel Ray. Oh, okay. So, excuse me, I'll drink water first. Okay. Thank you, Camel Ray. Okay, now let's go. And look, here is MP. Okay, good. Now say. Okay, very good. Okay, now one more time. What sound is it? Okay, yes, this is jump. So what sound is it? Okay, very good. Now let's go and let's blend these letters. Okay, so please check. Ask me. Yes, I have. Have you got a desk? Okay, now you ask me. Yes, I have. Okay, have you got a robot? Okay, please ask. Okay, now you ask me. No, I haven't. Okay, that's amazing, Shinyas. Good job. Okay, let's go now, Shinyas. And look, here is Luna. And what does Luna say? Okay, now look at this cat. Okay, this cat is a boy. Now, what does Luna say? Fred. Okay, that's amazing, Shinya. Okay, now, again, for boys, we use his and he. His, he. Okay, now for a girl, we use her and she. Okay, that's amazing. Okay, now Shinyas, look at this doll. What's her name? Okay, her name is... What's her name? Her name is Jane. She is... Oh yes, that's amazing. Yes, oh, it's so cute. Okay, now, sorry Lucy. Okay, let's read the sentence here. Okay, very good. This hamster is cute. Perfect. Ooh, okay, now listen.